welcome back to my channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be related to Diwali. Happy Diwali to each one of you out there. I hope this Diwali will bring a lot of happiness and good things in your life. So in this video, I'll show you some outfit ideas which you can carry this Diwali and look stunning. I will show you some outfits which according to me are appropriate for this Diwali. If this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. And before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video. Okay, now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, starting the video with the outfit which I am wearing. So this is the first outfit idea for Diwali. This is a black sari, a very beautiful black sari which has this kind of zari detailing in the border, and it is like, you can say it's like this is the print which you get all around and it looks so good. The border of this sari is so pretty, and black is such an elegant color, and I feel this is so appropriate for Diwali and everyone can carry this kind of sari. This is a chiffon sari, and chiffon sari looks good. Everyone can carry chiffon saris and look beautiful. So this is a pretty chiffon sari in color black. So this is the next outfit. This is a foil print kurta in deep green color, and not deep green actually, it's a mixture of deep green and sap green, and it has golden foil print all over, and it has a dory kind of tie off which you have to tie here, and it's a sleeveless one, but you get sleeve within it, but I kept it sleeveless. Okay, before going to the description of this look, in the previous look, in the black sari look, I haven't said about, I forgot to mention the accessories, so I've kept the exact same accessories to this looks also. So I have paired a golden earring, and it has black studs here, like black, what is it, pearls, small pearls, and I have this black bangles. So these are very complimentary, so try to wear, if this is golden, try to pair golden. If this is silver, try to pair silver. I feel that way it looks best. And with this look also, this earring was looking pretty nice, and also these bangles were going, so I didn't change, I kept the same thing. And yeah, so that was something. And with that look, you can carry a purse, a clutch, a golden clutch will look so stunning with that. And now let's talk about this outfit. So this is a very nice pretty foil print kurta, and this has some golden foil all over, and it's a sap green and dark green mixture color, and it's not like set, मैंने एक contrast, like not same green, they are different, so a little different. So to make a contrast, I chose this heavy dupatta, and with that I have paired a plazo which I'll show you shortly. So this is the look. So the next outfit, like the reference is, you can pair any kind of foil print kurta, like short kurta, and you can pair them with plazos, and they are like, foil kurtas are so much into trend these days, and this dory detailing also are so much into trend, so you can just go for them. So now see the full look. So this is how the kurta looks like. It's a sleeveless kurta, and it has some dory detailing which you have to tie here, and I've paired a contrast heavy dupatta, and this is the plazo. It's also in foil print but on different pattern. so it will look put together. And that's how I carried this look. I'm loving this look so far and it looks so stunning. You can pair any kind of foil print kurta and do a like foil print over foil print look, like a foil print kurta and a foil print like plazo. But obviously make sure to pair them in different patterns. Same pattern will look too much. And I have chosen white plazo and deep green kurta and pretty like a similar kind of dupatta and the same similar color. And I feel this is looking so good and put together, and if you carry this it will definitely look so stunning. So this is the next look. So this is the next outfit. This is a half sheer kurta and I have paired it with the same plazo that I have paired in the previous kurta, and I have paired it with golden dupatta so that it will be a contrast and it will look good. So this is a very nice half sheer kurta. Half sheer kurta means it is up to this area, it is like covered fully, and from that till the like below knee, yeah, up to below knee it is sheer, like only net is there, अंदर का लाइनिंग नहीं होता है. So that's the semi sheer kurta, and this kind of kurtas are so much into trend these days, and these are like people are pairing this kind of kurtas with with lehengas, with plazos, in so many different ways. These kurtas are in trend. So for me, this Diwali you can definitely try this kind of look. Pair buy any kind of semi sheer kurta, and if you have already, then pair it with a plazo and carry a dupatta and it will look so good and trendy. So I thought, why not share this outfit? I think this looks so good. So let's show you the full look. This semi sheer kurta with a golden color dupatta which has a mirror work in the border, and this semi sheer kurta is like up to this area it is golden, and this is in navy blue color and it has a golden border also. And with this plazo it looks so good. And you can also pair this kind of kurta with shararas. They look good with shararas as well. You can pair that also. So you can definitely try this look. Buy any semi sheer kurta and pair it with a plazo or a sharara and you will look so trendy and chic. This is the next outfit. This is a maxi dress, a foil print maxi dress. Like as I have said earlier, foil prints are so much into trend, and foil prints maxi dress looks so pretty and elegant. Like they look, in one word to describe those maxi dresses are elegant. They will look like you will look so elegant wearing this, and very pretty, cute and adorable. So my next suggestion will be definitely to try a maxi dress, but foil print maxi dress, and it's more better if it's dori, like dori style, like you have to tie it there, because this is also in trend. Otherwise, if you're not comfortable wearing sleeveless, they have sleeves with them. You can just stitch it and wear it according to your preference. It's up to you. But if you're comfortable wearing sleeveless, you can wear this kind of dori sleeves, and like dori, not sleeves. Yeah, you have to tie this dori here, and that's how it is, and it looks so trendy and so elegant, and I totally love this. And the one I have is in the color black, and it's so pretty. It has like dori hair, you have to tie it like this, and it is foil print all over, and up to this it's like slim fit, and then it has ghera, and it looks so pretty. Okay, now let's show you the full outfit. This is how this dress looks. It is so pretty and elegant. is a lehenga. So how can I forget and not show a lehenga in a ethnic wear, like in a festive season video? Not possible, right? Like, we search for occasion to wear such like lehengas and saris, and how can I forget to show one? So that's why I've like, this is our last outfit idea for like this video, and this is the last thing, like last outfit I think, which will look good, so good with for Diwali. Okay, but one thing, uh, for lehenga, don't go for very heavy lehenga, then it looks so like too much, and it looks doesn't looks good, and people say lehengas are not meant to be worn in Diwali. Obviously, a heavy lehengas, very heavy lehengas doesn't look good, but you can wear subtle and simple lehengas, they look so pretty. And for this video I have this lehenga, and I'm showing this lehenga because of its color. It is in the color lilac lavender, and this color, oh my god, don't ask, this color is so much into trend, and मेरा खुद का फेवरेट हो चुका है ये कलर. आई लव दिस कलर सो मच. होगा ही क्यों नहीं, दिस कलर इज सच अ प्रिटी स्वीट कलर. So this is the last outfit idea, like wear a very subtle color, like you can wear solid lehengas, they look so smart, dainty and very pretty. So you can wear solid color lehenga or lehengas which have very minimal detailing. Don't go for chatak and heavy wala lehenga, they will not look good and it will look like you are going for a wedding function, and you don't want that, right? So wear a subtle lehenga, a very subtle minimal lehenga which will look, and you look effortlessly beautiful. So okay, that's the last outfit idea. Now see the full look. So you can wear a very, like this is a very pretty basic lehenga, and the color is lavender, so it's looking more trendy. So you can go for any solid color lehenga, and it will look so pretty and good. So those were all the outfit ideas which I think if you wear items like those, like if you wear such outfits, then you will look very stylish, trendy and elegant. So yeah, I hope you will have a very happy and prosperous Diwali, and you will have a lot of fun and spend time with your family. And happy Diwali once again. I hope this video was helpful and you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And comment down below which outfit you like the most and what you think about this video. And yeah, that's about it. We will meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.